I finished my masters, I think, and then I hopped into pageants and I won Miss Arunachal, and from then I went to Miss India, and from there I came to Mumbai. But theatre is like आपको शर्म वरम भुला के आपको करवाते हैं वो लोग सब कुछ. Crocodile बन जाओ आप, monkey बन जाओ. Always wanted to be a singer when I was young. That was actually my first passion. These people are calling me names, calling me Chinese and all, and I'm like, look at Chinese people. They are so beautiful. They are so talented. They are so good in math, and they win all the Olympic medals also. So nowadays I take it as a compliment. And coincidentally, I was aspirant in real life, and I got to be an aspirant on screen also. Wow. दिल ये मेरा बस में नहीं, पहले कभी ऐसा होता था नहीं, तू ही बता इस दिल का मैं अब क्या करूं. Hi, I'm Celine and you're watching me on Bollywood Society.
Hi Celine.
Hi.
Welcome to Bollywood Society.
Thank you so
How are
much.
you?
I'm doing really well.
Okay, so how are you feeling working on a show which already had such a strong fan base?
I think it was an added pressure for me, but I got to learn a lot. And season 2 and season 3, I think I improved a lot too, so I'm really happy.
Okay, and do you have any moments from your show which you want to share?
That song Dik Chik Tana, so that was a moment where if people are liking it, and it came really organically to me. I actually thought that they're going to play another song on that part, but they kept my Dik Chik Tana, so
Okay, so
there's another interesting thing.
Okay, and did you gel up well with your cast and creators? You have any memories with them?
Most of my scenes are with the main character Abhilash, and who played by Naveen Kasturia. So I had most of my characters with all my scenes with him.
Yeah.
So in that way, I did not gel with properly. I didn't get the time to gel with properly with anyone. But we had like few scenes together, especially the Shadi scene, and I loved that because everyone was looking so beautiful, so handsome, and everyone was wearing their full Indian attire, and I got to wear my traditional attire too. So I was really happy about
So that was your happy moment.
Yes.
Okay. So how did you prepare for your character? Was there any process behind it?
So I have a trainer now. And then I was already into theatre, so my theatre friends and my teacher from the theatre group, he really helped me a lot. His name is Riken sir, and he's now a professor in NST. So he really helped me a lot. And then also my co-actors and my directors, they taught me a lot of things, that you need to put this in this thing into your character. This kind of emotions is required for this character. And you know, when you are in that IPS uniform, you have to be very stern, and you have to be very confident. But when you are playing the old Deepa, who is now still struggling aspirant, you have to be a little bit vulnerable. So I think I had to work on those emotions, and the process was amazing, I think, and most of the things came naturally on screen.
And as you're from theatre, tell me something about your theatre days. What would you do? What kind of exercises in theatre or everything?
It opened up a lot more in me, I think. Because usse pehle I used to be a little bit timid and shy. Not exactly shy, but I was reserved, you can say. I did not open up to people. But theatre is like आपको शर्म वरम भुला के आपको करवाते हैं वो लोग सब कुछ. Crocodile बन जाओ आप, monkey बन जाओ,
अरे यार बंदर बन जाओ.
हाँ, so all those things, no, it really opened the artist in me, I think. बहुत सब कुछ शर्म वरम भुला के आपको वो सब चीज़ करना पड़ता है. So earlier I used to be, you know, always conscious, ये मतलब ये करने से ज़्यादा नहीं हो जाएगा, ये करने से कम नहीं हो जाएगा. But I'm like, it's okay, let it be, go for it. बाद में देखा जाएगा, होगा नहीं होगा तो कम होगा तो ज़्यादा कर देंगे, ज़्यादा होगा तो कम कर देंगे.
Okay, so what made you pursue acting as a career?
I was actually into beauty pageants first, and then when I after my Miss India stint. I finished as one of the finalists of Miss India, and after that I took a break for my studies, and that time I was preparing for civil services, actually the PCS exam of our state. But then something happened and I got the opportunity to play Deepa. I was auditioning for it. At that time I didn't know this
This would work out.
ये character जो है इस web series के लिए है, I didn't know. And coincidentally I was aspirant in real life, and I got to be an aspirant on screen also.
Wow. And have you ever faced racism so far?
Yes, I did. Many a times I did. Some people, they call us certain names. I don't want to take all those names, yeah. But sometimes what happens is like ki, before I used to get really annoyed and frustrated. Like, these people are calling me names, calling me Chinese and all, and I'm like, look at Chinese people. They are so beautiful. They are so talented. They are so good in math. And they win all the Olympic medals also. So nowadays I take it as a compliment. But I'm also a Deshbhakt from heart, okay? That's just to cope up. It's my coping mechanism.
How do you do you say that to their face, or you just say it in sarcasm like just you did now?
Yeah,
How do you answer them?
I'm a very sarcastic person in real life. So I try to tackle everything with a good laugh. Like, Chinese लोग को देखे हैं क्या, वो लोग कितने सुंदर होते हैं. I mean, like winning Olympics and good at math, and jobs and all. Look at them.
So you don't give them the power to
Yes.
offense.
Yes,
Exactly.
exactly.
So that's nice. We have a fun segment for you.
Yeah.
It's called This and That.
Okay.
You have to choose between two options. Okay.
Interesting.
Okay. Drama versus comedy.
Comedy.
Okay. Web series or films.
Web series.
Indoor shoots or outdoor shoots.
I like outdoor shoots, yeah.
Okay. Rehearsed performance or spontaneous performance.
Spontaneous, anytime.
Okay. Dialogues or silent acting.
Silent.
Lead role or ensemble cast.
Ensemble cast.
Okay. City shoots or remote locations.
Remote locations, I think, yeah.
Okay.
You get to explore a lot more.
I think it's very organic also.
Yeah, it is.
Day shoots or night shoots.
I prefer, I think, day shoots.
Okay. Have you been in any night shoots?
Yeah, a lot. Yeah.
From aspirants only.
Yeah, 12-hour shoot we used to have 6
God.
p.m. to 6 a.m. and all, and sometimes used to go till 8 a.m. also.
Oh yeah.
I have trouble sleeping because of that.
Emotional scenes or action scenes.
I have done emotional scenes, so I really want to do action.
You want to do an action?
Yeah,
Of course you will in future. Okay. So another one is rapid fire. What life lessons have you learned from your journey so far?
To never underestimate yourself.
How do you maintain work-life balance?
I give some time out to myself. I go back home. I chill with my parents. हमारे अरुणाचल के mountain में घूमती हूँ मैं.
Oh, acha, you go back home
Yeah.
and meet your parents.
Yes.
Nice. Who has been your biggest influence or support system?
My parents, my family, my well-wishers, my friends.
Okay. And how did your journey begin before aspirants?
Journey began before aspirants.
Before acting or
Yeah. I finished my masters, I think, and then I hopped into pageants and I won Miss Arunachal, and from then I went to Miss India, and from there I came to Mumbai.
It's a very long journey.
Long journey, yeah. Still trying to get all of it, soak in.
Nice. Do you have any skill rather than acting or anything which you would like to mention?
I like to sing. I like to
Okay.
compose also, and
Okay.
I have one song in my local dialect, which is one of the tribes of Arunachal, Adi tribe. So I'm working more on music also. I've always wanted to be a singer when I was young. That was actually my first passion, and then I somehow drifted from it because I was into studies, and then pageants came in picture, and then acting and all. So I'm trying to take a step back also and try to learn about music more.
Okay, so you're trying to make a future in music also.
I hope so. It works
Okay.
for me.
Okay. Do you want to sing? Can you sing for us?
What song would you want to listen?
Anything, whatever you're comfortable with.
Or you have the option Hindi, you can choose.
Okay.
You can choose English also, and local also you can choose.
Okay. Hindi.
Hindi?
Works?
Yeah. So this is my favorite song.
Okay.
दिल ये मेरा बस में नहीं, पहले कभी ऐसा होता था नहीं, तू ही बता इस दिल का मैं अब क्या करूँ.
Wow, you have such a soothing voice.
you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.